For decades, we have been leading the pharmaceutical tensile, and who better than us knows the implication of industry confronts such as machine stoppage, human errors, or low RFT percentage. Majorly caused by the incorrect change part installation, our productivity is mostly hampered by common skill gaps. But the core of this issue is the unavailability of just-in-time support for our operators, leading to huge business loss and further impacting employees' confidence. To answer these challenges, we are introducing the AR solution by digitalizing the entire changeover upskilling program. The solution is exclusively designed to bridge the skill gaps and help our operators deliver with the utmost accuracy right at the first time. The solution gives them step-by-step guidance and real-time job assistance while minimizing the scope of human errors. The multi-dimensional digital overlay and transformation deliver on-job assistance in 3D modality to replicate the real-world dismantle and assemble changeover experience. Our operators can access these simulations whenever they need it, thus boosting their confidence. Our AR solution is designed to act with precision for facilitating collaboration without boundaries while encouraging innovation with confidence. And what does it bring to the table? Well, be it adherence to standardized process or compliance improvement, our AR solution supports them all. It effectively improves the RFT changeover setting by reducing human errors possibilities and changeover time. It effectively aids the new hire onboarding and bridges the gap between procedure versus practice by providing a safe and secure learning environment. Minimizing the risk of production discontinuity, our AR solution promises a higher percentage of efficient productivity with a happy and confident employee base.